The Sorla table air fryer toaster is amazing. It has a lot of space. It's really quick, and I love the way it heats up my pizza. It's what I use it mostly for toasting and for heating up things. It's very simple. The buttons are really, really big. It beeps a little when you're doing, but it's self-explanatory. You just press power, then you hit toast right there, and then you can. It has different programs. You hit that cycle button, and there it goes. It starts very quiet. It starts air frying whatever is in there, and in several minutes, really, really quickly, you'll have really nice, crisp pizza ready to eat and really, really delicious. You got to be careful because the top uh, rack will heat more than the bottom, but it's going to be okay.